Hello everyone, my name is Nadunga Peace. I'm a student of Mbale Secondary School. I'm also the uniform prefect Mbale Secondary School. Why most of you wonder why students of Mbale SS are ever smart? Well, we have basically so many types of school uniform, that is for A level and O level. For O level they put on white, that's for senior 1 and senior 2. They put on short sleeve and a long sleeve sweater plus a black wrapper for the girls and a trouser for the boys. For the senior 3s and senior 4s, they put on a long sleeved uniform that's white and a sleeveless sweater that's and plus the black skirts. I think you got that. 3s and senior 4s, they put on that white long sleeved and plus a sleeveless sweater and a black wrapper for the girls and the trouser which is long for the boys. A levelers, they put on sky blue, plus for the girls they put on a black wrapper, and for the boys that is a trouser for the boys which is black. Okay, on weekends we have different types of sportswear that we put on. We have Eligon, we have Mandela, we have Renzori, Nile, Africa. That's what we put on Saturdays.